Namaste. I am very much happy to be the part of this naturopathy taught by Vishal. I am very much into this. I got so much attracted. I just thought diet is the only thing which we need to consider. But when I happened to join this workshop, silver workshop, for the first time, then I came to know that there are so many things which I need to change, which I need to inculcate, which I need to throw off from my life so that I can live the life I want to live in a very beautiful way, in a very better way. So, being in this workshop, immediately after the day one, I started to change a lot. After that, I am really looking forward to go along with this journey with Vishal and learn so many things. And I'm very much grateful to Vishal and his team for bringing out this beautiful workshop to all of us. And I'm really thankful. Thank you so much.